stop by and take a look at the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.